This is the number one mistake that I see marketers making when they're trying to promote an auto body shop. And that is that they don't understand the product class that we're in. See, there's only two product classes out there. The first product class is the most popular. It represents about 95% of all the products in the marketplace. And that is what we call an impulse buy. It's something that people really want. Maybe it's a new car, maybe it's the new Apple Watch that's coming out, or something that they want. This is where they'll go online, they'll investigate it, they'll look at the color options, they'll look at all this cool stuff about it. But on the other side of the coin, where us body shops live, is what we call the distress purchase. And this would be something like maybe a doctor coming to you and saying, hey, you've got that weird disease that you didn't know that you had. All of a sudden, you're in a distress purchase. You got to buy some medication. Maybe it's a flooded house. You wake up in the morning and the house is flooded, or it's an accident that you've been in. This is what we call a distress purchase. And it has a very different buying motivation than an impulse buy or something that people want. Nobody wakes up in the morning and says, sweetheart, I can't wait to get T-boned this morning. Nobody does that, right? And so we have to approach it very, very differently. So when you're working with a marketing company, that will be the test of if they're going to be able to help promote you in the marketplace, is if they understand the difference between an impulse buy and a distress purchase. Because you as a body shop, you're in the distress purchase business, and that customer has a very different buying motivation.